Hi guys, so today is going to be another unsolicited product review. I am terrible at making bows. I cannot do them. And so today when I was at Hobby Lobby, I decided to buy this Bowdabra. Bowdabra. It was $15.99 and I used my 40% off coupon. And I was about to open it and I decided to just film it and let's see how it goes. So we've got a CD, we have a book, and we have the item. So let's take it out of here. Alright, it's just a little gray piece. So I brought over the supplies that I assumed that we would need to make a bow. Let's see, we have some bow wire. Oh good, because I couldn't find any bow wire and I was going to use bead wire. Alright, so that is a different language. Here's English. Let's see, fluff and shape. Bow styles. I need to know step 1. Okay, looks like we take this guy out. Bow styles, fold bow, cut 24-inch piece of the bow wire, so 24-inch piece. Where is the end piece? Okay, 24 inches. So here is 14, and then here is 10. Using my wire cutters, and those weren't needed, just scissors. Alright, fold it in half and lay it into the Bowdabra. You'll have a loop on one end and 2 loose pieces at the other end. Okay, I'm assuming, and there's not really, oh there is a picture. Okay, this little guy, alright, let's get in there. There we go. Alright. First determine the length of your tails. Lay your ribbon, okay. Doesn't tell you how much ribbon to cut. Cut a 24-inch piece and fold it. You'll have a loop. At first determine the length of your tails. Lay your ribbon into, decide how big you want your loops. I guess we just use the whole thing. So I have some wired ribbon. Issues. It's a 6 foot. Alright. I'm gonna use the whole thing, I guess. Alright. Lay your ribbon into make your first loop, fold the ribbon and press into, okay. Alright, well, it's not really clear. I'm thinking I do this. Decide how big you want your loops. To make your first loop, fold the ribbon and press into the bow. Continue folding the ribbon back and forth until you have created. Oh, okay. Duh. Okay. So I guess I'm gonna make my loop this big. And we're gonna put it in here. To make your first loop, fold the ribbon and press it. Continue to fold the ribbon back and forth. It doesn't say. I guess like that. Just really and probably get one more. Okay. Well, the bow is still in, let's see, scrunch down the ribbon with the wand, okay? So that's this guy, 3, okay, okay. While the bow is, thread the loose ends through the loop of the other end, okay. Okay. Pull the bow out tightly while the bow is still in. Alright, I can't get it past this wandy thing. Okay, okay. Got it. Gently pull the bow out. Separate the loose ends of the bow. Okay. Pull the bow, gently pull the bow out, separate the 2 loose ends, bring them around to the back of the bow to tie off the bow. Okay. I'm assuming that this is the back of the bow. This is going to be the back of the bow. So we tie it off. Okay, and we're going to cut this. So I tied it twice. Fluff and shape the bow if you want to add longer tails. Okay, so we are going to now pull these out. This one's upside down. Okay, we're just gonna pretend. Okay. Alright, this is a tail. We're going to take the tail, we'll cut it like that. Alright, how cute. Oh, here's another tail. He is short. Okay. I guess we could bring them this way and that way. Alright, well, I made a bow. That is stinking cute. Alright. Gotta find something to put it on. Alright, let's see what other ways. Okay, so this is a fold bow. And you can do a butterfly bow with a floral hoop. Very simple technique, it says. We have a swag. It looks like you put, oh, you can put your your fake flowers in it. This is a scrunchy bow. I almost think that that's kind of like what I just made. A mini fold and twist bow. Oh, here is the ribbons. Okay. Ribbon width chart. Loop size. Ribbon required. Oh, I guess I should have started here. Okay, so this tells you how big your loop is, depends on how wide it is, and the tail length and the ribbon required. So I did 6 feet to make this fella here. Okay, so I should have started here. Create the tails any length you wish. Tails are lengths of the extra ribbon that flow from the bow. Decide upon the lengths of the tail you desire. Fold the ribbon in half. Decide exactly how you want. Okay, so this gives you really the starting point. And this tells you how to cut it. Okay, so if you are not good at bows like I am, I say this is 100% worth the money. 100%. So Hobby Lobby, and it is, like I said, $15.99. It's in the floral department. It's not in the craft section, so you'll need to go over to the floral department. But I give it 2 thumbs up. I mean, it's just awesome. So, alright, thank you, and we'll see you tomorrow.